Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of MLM software development companies in Pakistan. So, let's get started. Pakistan is home to countless brilliant minds working on cutting-edge technological solutions for various industries. The MLM industry is no exception, and there are several companies in Pakistan dedicated to developing top-notch MLM software. These companies have a team of skilled professionals who take pride in delivering high-quality products and services to their clients. One such company is Vision on Technologies, an award-winning MLM software development company based in Lahore, Pakistan. They have a team of experienced developers who specialize in creating customized solutions for various industries. On Technologies aims to provide user-friendly and efficient software that meets the unique needs of each client. They strive to deliver innovative solutions that streamline your business processes and help you achieve success in your industry. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable and innovative MLM software development company, consider checking out On Technologies or any other great companies in Pakistan. They'll provide you with the tools you need to run a thriving business. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time.